Every year when I go to close and winterize my swimming pool, I always worry that I'm not doing enough. Just how green and gross will the water be in the spring and how difficult will it be to clean up? The good folks at AQUASTRONG now have the solution with this smart product called Winter Guard. This is a new concept on pool winterization closing kits. Check out this unique product design. I have never seen anything like this before. These smart capsules will treat your pool water during the winter season so you don't have to worry about it. The blue and orange capsules are filled with different treatments for your swimming pool water. The instructions for use could not be more simple. I simply cleaned up my pool water, super chlorinated it, or shocked it if you will, the day before. Now you're ready to use Winter Guard. I gently shook each capsule back and forth and then removed the plug. Now place it in the water with the release opening facing down towards the water. Next, I position the blue capsule upright at the water surface. It should look like this. And place the orange capsule upright near the pool bottom. Don't worry that the orange dispenser capsule will float to the surface over time. Now simply finish winterizing your pool in the normal methods that's right for you and cover your swimming pool for the winter season. This product can be used in above and below ground swimming pools.
This Winter Guard treatment kit by AQUASTRONG will treat swimming pools up to 30,000 gallons, clarify the water, avoid stains, prevent scaling, and is eco-friendly.